Think Canva is only for graphic design? You're missing its most powerful photo editing tools. In this video, I'll show you how to edit photos like a pro without Photoshop. First, to do photo editing in Canva, we need an image. So, I have uploaded an image. Once uploaded, set it to full screen. Next, the main tool we use is found in the top menu. After clicking on the photo, the Edit option appears. If you scroll down under Edit, you will see many filters, style match options, and tools. So first, let's go into Tools. Under Tools, the first option is Adjust. If you click Adjust, you'll see options like Select Area above, which we'll look at next. But first, at the top, there is Auto Adjust. Before applying that, let's duplicate the page first for comparison. Now, go back to Edit greater than Adjust, and if you click Auto Adjust, everything adjusts automatically. We can do it automatically like that, or we can also adjust it manually. You can clearly see the difference below. Now, under Edit greater than Adjust, I have removed Auto Adjust. Looking at the manual options, the first one is White Balance. Everything here works similarly to Photoshop. If I increase the temperature slider, it makes the image warmer. Sliding it the other way makes it cooler. You can also adjust tint to see the effect. Next, under Light, I'm increasing the brightness slightly. Then I'll increase the contrast a bit. It looks pretty good. Let's set highlights around 22. Shadows can stay as they are, and whites are slightly increased to 27. Next is Vibrance. Vibrance is a crucial tool whether you're using Photoshop or Canva. I'll increase it slightly. 24 looks good. Next is Saturation, which you're probably already familiar with. Lastly, scroll down to find Sharpness. Increasing sharpness highlights details like the eyes and hair. Next, I'll slightly increase Clarity. As for Vignette, we use it to draw focus toward the subject. Increasing Vignette darkens the edges and naturally directs attention to the center of the image. By making these adjustments in Canva Pro, you can achieve photo editing results comparable to Photoshop. You can clearly see the difference here. These are the main adjust tools. Next, under Select Area, there is a Click option. This tool automatically detects and segments specific parts of the image for you. You can select an object, like a car, or select just the subject to edit independently. Previously, we were editing the entire photo at once. Now, if you only want to edit the main subject, simply click on it. Adjusting the temperature will now affect only the subject without changing the background. This is a very useful feature for selective editing. Similarly, there is a brush tool. You can paint over a specific area to selectively adjust its brightness or other properties. Here, as I select a red area and adjust the temperature or brightness, you can see only the selected area changing. That's one way to use it. Next, going back into Edit, you'll see options for foreground and background. The subject is considered the foreground. Selecting the foreground allows you to use Magic Grab or Magic Eraser. Using Magic Grab separates the subject from the image. I've already covered this in a previous Magic Studio video, so let's select Keep Adjustments for now. Next is the Background tab. If you want to change the background, click it. There are two options. Background Remover removes the background completely, leaving only the subject. Background Generator lets you type a prompt to generate any custom background you want. Now let's look at Upscale. I'll load a different image for this example. A Canva graphic. If you zoom in, you can see pixelation and broken text. To enhance its clarity, click on the image, go to Edit, and select Upscale. Canva will automatically process and enhance the image within a few seconds. Now it's done. If you toggle Undo, you can clearly see the improvement in quality and sharpness. This tool is great for restoring low-resolution assets. Canva offers many powerful editing tools, and we've covered the primary photo editing features here. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tips and design hacks. See you in the next video.